This is a printhead like no other. It's the brand new printhead that's exclusive to the Epson G9070 direct-to-film printer. Now, one of the first things you're gonna notice is that on this printer, we're not gonna be stacking multiple print heads. Typically what we see in direct-to-film printers is in order to make it go faster, they're gonna stack more and more print heads. Well, why do that when you can just make your engine bigger? And that's exactly what Epson has done with their brand new print head. So instead of being a 2, 3, 4, 8 print head printer, we're actually working on just one. But it's not just one printer. On this print head alone, we have 9,600 individual nozzles ready to blast with ultra fine precision. And that takes us to another reason why this is a printhead like no other. It's Epson's Nozzle Verification Technology. And that's not only what sets this printhead apart, but all of the printheads on Epson machines. You see, Epson printheads, while other printers might utilize those, only Epson printers are gonna have the nozzle verification technology. And what this allows your printhead to do is to automatically detect when a print nozzle is functioning or not. It maximizes the output on each nozzle, ensuring you get the most precise colors and clarity on all of your prints. It's also gonna have real-time nozzle compensation technology. What that means is if your printer detects that some of the nozzles have become clogged or unusable, you're not just gonna miss out on those nozzles. What it's gonna do is in real time, it's gonna send a signal to the printhead so the adjacent nozzles can adjust the size of the droplets they're spraying to ensure that you get complete color coverage with no banding and no misprinting. Now, thanks to this real-time nozzle compensation, we eliminate the need for a confidence strip on your large gang sheets, which allows you to reclaim that space. So if you ever wondered why a 24-inch roll is only getting about 22 inches of usable print area, about an inch of that is due to the need for a confidence strip. Thankfully, we don't need that, and now we're able to take the maximum space on our rolls. There are so many incredible things about the brand new Epson G9070, but at the heart of this machine is one of the most revolutionary pieces of technology to hit the garment decoration world. Now, if you're interested in getting the Epson G9070, head on over to heatpressnation.com right now and give it a look.